tutorial, we will be learning the next class for your culture media part 1. So in this video tutorial, we will be learning about the classification of culture media basing on their composition, right? So these are the five different types of culture media classified basing on their composition. In the previous session, that is culture media part 1, we have learned about the classification of culture media basing on the consistency, isn't it? Now in this session, we will be learning about the classification of culture media basing on the composition. So first one is natural media. From the name itself, you can understand that this particular culture media is prepared with the help of by adding natural substances like blood, wine, vegetable juices, meat extract, beef extracts, egg white, urine, and many more natural substances. So this is nothing but natural media. So the general composition, that is your peptones, NaCl, water, all these are same. So added to that, these are the natural substances, products that are used for your natural media. This natural media is also known as empirical media. Why? Because in no exact concentrations or without any exact proportions, this particular natural media is prepared. So hence it is known as empirical media. And moreover, here meat infusion products are also added to this particular natural media. Hence this is known as natural media. What do you mean by meat infusion or beef infusion? So you will soak the meat or the beef extracts in water for 6 hours. So that is nothing but meat infusion or beef infusion. So that is about natural media. So this natural media is also, this particular natural media is used for several disease identification of several diseases. This is generally used for your clinical purpose. So that is natural media. And coming to living media. In this particular living media, we will be adding, so all these things belong to your natural media. In living media, here cells, live cells are living cells, living cells are generally used for preparation of living media. Okay, so here living cells means which are being isolated from a host organism. So that is about living media. Next, coming to synthetic media. So this is not a natural media. So this is totally opposite to your natural media. Here this particular media is prepared with the help of several organic and inorganic substances. So those are synthetic media. So synthetic media is different from natural media, the opposite of natural media. So this particular media is prepared only with the help of organic, is prepared by adding your organic and inorganic substances. Coming to complex media, so this is a totally here you will add all the nutrients that may be natural or that may be organic or inorganic. So here this complex media is of no composition or without any proportion. This is generally used anywhere, and this complex media is made up of vitamins, minerals, peptones, proteins. Peptones are nothing but these are the digested proteins from your meat extract. So those are peptones. Okay, so that is nothing but complex media. Next, one more thing, and last but not least, is your next is your minimal media. So minimal media, from the name itself, it indicates that it is lacking some some nutrients. So that is minimal media. From the name itself, you can easily guess that minimal media, in this minimal media, some nutrients are lacking. There is a lack of several nutrients. That may be natural nutrients, or that may be natural substances, or organic substances, or inorganic substances, whatever. So this is minimal media. So lacks nutrients. So this particular minimal media is generally used during your research purpose. In your clinical research, this particular minimal media is used, and in your genetic engineering experiments. Okay, why? Because whenever you are performing any research at your clinical level and at your molecular level, minimal media is generally used in order to identify the exact properties and characterization of that particular disease causing microorganism, isn't it? So these are the 5 different types of mediums basing on the composition of culture media. Natural media. So here all your natural substances are used for preparation of natural media, like blood, urine, vegetable juices, meat extract, wine and egg white. Okay, and living media. Living media here means this media is prepared by addition of living cells, and this particular living media is generally used for characterization of viruses. With this particular viruses are characterized in chicks. Okay. So that is the advantage of living media. Next, coming to synthetic media. Synthetic media means here organic and inorganic substances are, this particular media is prepared with the help of organic and inorganic substances. Next, complex media. Here all varieties of natural and inorganic and organic substances are used for preparation of synthetic complex media, vitamins, minerals, peptones, beef extract, whatever. Okay. Next, minimal media. From the name itself, it indicates that it lacks some nutrients. So this minimal media is generally used in your clinical research purpose and in your genetic engineering experiments. Why? Because in order to characterize, isolate the growth of your disease causing microorganism, isn't it? So in the next session, we will be learning about different types of culture media based on their uses. So this is different types of culture media basing on composition, the second type. First one is classification of culture media based on consistency. So that is part 1. Part 2 is classification based on composition. So this is part 2. And then in the next series of session, we will be learning about culture media classification based on its uses. Thank you.